Many hairdressers no longer work. Look how easy it is to repair your hair with this. Female hair is usually very delicate, so it is easily mistreated. However, this is a problem that can easily be tackled with repolarization. This is a powerful treatment for super mistreated and burned hair. It contains several moisturizing and repairing products that will give shine, softness and beauty to the hair. This treatment is so effective that it is recommended to use it once a month. In case of having very badly treated hair, we can get to the extreme of using it twice a month. That will be more than enough for the hair to recover from ironing, drying, dyes and other aggressive treatments. This procedure can be performed at home easily and simply. Among the benefits we get, we can mention the wetting of the hair fiber. In addition, it softens and gives resistance and elasticity to the hair. It also fights frizz, and causes hair to regain health and the natural shine it always had. What we will need: repolarizing treatment, 2 tablespoons. Coconut, olive or almond oil, 1 tablespoon. Keratin, 2 tablespoons. Treatment for hair, 2 tablespoons. Silicone, 2 tablespoons. Tools: iron for hair, aluminum foil, thermal hat, plastic cup, brush to paint the hair. Preparation and use: 1. First, we must thoroughly wash our hair with the shampoo of our preference. Then, mix the aforementioned ingredients until a homogeneous substance is obtained. Something to keep in mind is that these amounts are for a fairly long hair. If our pole is short, we can divide the application for 2 occasions. 2. This substance will be applied to the hair still wet with the aid of the brush to dye. The application will do as if we were painting the hair. This treatment will let you act for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can wrap the hair iron with foil, only the part that is heated. The non-glossy side of the paper should face outwards. 2 turns will suffice. 3. Now, let's heat the iron to 180 degrees. Meanwhile, we divided the hair into small sections and pass the plate giving gentle strokes. Then we pass the iron along the hair. We will not dry the hair, we will only seal it by passing several times, 3 at most, the iron. Therefore, the hair will still be wet at the end of this process.